This is a very common problem. You want to put in a washing machine, it is not fitting into the kitchen. So over here in a common toilet, we've stacked it. This stack is possible on a nice quartz stable base. And you can see we've used these acrylic shutters below so that the water problem is addressed and you don't need to put anything ply. Storage above it, so you can get a very nice neat stack in the common bathroom. This is actually very useful, especially if you have a washing machine and a dryer or a dishwasher and dryer. You can have this stack. Very useful to do and very easy to do. Low maintenance.